Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of molecular rearrangement, today we will see what is Beckmann's rearrangement. We know that migration of atom or a group of atom within molecule is said to be molecular rearrangement. To understand this molecular rearrangement, watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please like it, comment it and subscribe it. Now what happens in this molecular rearrangement? It is very simple molecular rearrangement. In this molecular rearrangement, oxime converts into N-substituted amide. This is oxime. This functionality is said to be oxime, यानी double bond NOH. This functionality is said to be oxime. So reaction of oxime with acid, and this reaction takes place in the influence of acidic reagent like phosphorus pentachloride, thionyl chloride, concentrated sulfuric acid, formic acid, polyphosphoric acid, etc. And a reaction of oxime with acid, it gives N-substituted amide. Which functionality is said to be amide? Amide functionality, यानी C double bond ONH2, this is amide, isn't it? ये amide functional group है. N substituted, यानी when one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group, so here it is one substituent, so this amide is said to be N-substituted amide. So what is the product in Beckmann's rearrangement? Product is N-substituted amide. A typical example of this rearrangement is the reaction of benzophenone oxime with acid. It gives corresponding N-substituted amide. So reaction, example of this, I will take oxime of benzophenone, oxime of benzophenone. This is the oxime of benzophenone. On nitrogen there is one lone pair of electron and oxygen two lone pair of electrons. A reaction with, you can take sulfuric acid, you can take phosphorus pentachloride. I will explain mechanism of both. So it gives N-substituted amide. It gives N-substituted amide. Here on this nitrogen one substituent is there, so you can write name of this compound is N-phenyl benzaamide, N-phenyl benzaamide or benzaanilide. So here formation of N-substituted amide, this is the product. Now what is the mechanism of this? It is very interesting mechanism. And how this reaction takes place. Since this reaction takes place, this molecular rearrangement takes place in acidic medium, I will take same example to explain mechanism, that is oxime of benzophenone, acid. Since this acid H plus is electron deficient, here oxygen has two lone pair of electrons, oxygen का protonation होगा, यानी oxygen will donate pair of electron to H plus. अब ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट कर रहा है, सो इट विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ऑक्सीजन H plus is going to accept pair of electrons, so will acquire negative charge. So A positive A negative cancel होगा and oxygen will acquire positive charge, यानी formation of protonated benzophenone. formation of protonated benzophenone. Still there is one lone pair of electron on oxygen. ऑक्सीजन पे अब पॉजिटिव चार्ज अब वो इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट है. सो एसिड ने क्या किया इधर? व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ एसिड हियर? इफ वी कंपेयर लिविंग टेंडेंसी ऑफ OH and living tendency of OH2 plus. So due to this acid, remember this is a bad living group. OH, this is a bad living group. This is a bad living group. Now this OH2 plus is a very good living group. This is a very good living group. This is a very good living group. Now here conversion of bad living group into a bad living group hai. So conversion of bad living group into good living group, isn't it? Now next step, migration of one phenyl group. Now migration of one phenyl group, एक phenyl group का migration होगा. Both phenyl groups, both these phenyl groups are identical, symmetrical, so breaking of any one. But remember, migration of which alkyl group or aryl group which is anti to this OH2 plus, इसका anti migration होता है. Remember it has two configurations. One is syn, and this pH is syn to OH, and this pH is anti to this OH, opposite. So remember, always breaking of anti alkyl group or aryl group, whatever it may be, इसका breaking होता है. So here breaking of this, यानी यहाँ पे कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, so it will acquire positive charge. So now migration of this phenyl group to electron deficient nitrogen, isn't it? Now breaking of this, अब AOH2 निकल जाएगा and a removal of H2O, a removal of H2O. Now see the charge, यहाँ पे कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट कर रहा है, so it will acquire positive charge, isn't it? नाइट्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, so it will acquire negative charge. From this side it is electron donor, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, so it will acquire positive charge. So this positive, this negative cancelled. नाइट्रोजन पे चार्ज नहीं रहेगा, कार्बन पे कौन सा चार्ज रहेगा? इट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. सो वी कैन राइट इंटरमीडिएट लाइक दिस. हियर इट इज PH. नाउ दिस कार्बन विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड, नाइट्रोजन पे ऑलरेडी एक लोन पेयर है, सो इट रिमेन्स एज इट इज. मैंने अभी कहा, सो हियर नाइट्रोजन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर, सो विल एक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, सो इट विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो ये पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव, न्यूट्रल, एंड देयर इज नो चार्ज, इजंट इट? सो ये माइग्रेटेड फिनिल ग्रुप, ये माइग्रेटेड फिनिल ग्रुप, क्योंकि यहाँ पे फिनिल ग्रुप का माइग्रेशन ऑफ फिनिल ग्रुप टूवर्ड्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट नाइट्रोजन atom, isn't it? So here this is intermediate, and remember this intermediate is said to be nitrilium ion. Now what happens next? In previous step water is released. Here water is released, or in water there is oxygen which has two lone pair of electrons. Now same attack of same water molecule, we can say nucleophile here, H2O. This is a nucleophile because oxygen has two lone pair of electrons. Oxygen can donate pair of electron, so इसका अटैक यहाँ पे हो सकता है. See here, no oxygen electron donate कर रहा है, so it will acquire positive charge. यहाँ पे कार्बन गेन कर रहा है, so it will acquire negative charge. Already positive है, so ये positive, ये negative, it will be neutralized. यानी what is intermediate? Next intermediate, यहाँ पे ये वाटर का अटैक हुआ, न्यूक्लियोफाइल का. ऑक्सीजन will acquire positive charge, still one lone pair of electron. It remains as it is. It remains as it is. Now, this oxygen is electron deficient. अब ये oxygen electron deficient है. So either breaking of this oxygen hydrogen single bond or breaking of this oxygen hydrogen single bond. So after breaking of this oxygen hydrogen single bond, shifting of electrons towards oxygen, and it will acquire a negative charge. ये नेगेटिव ये पॉजिटिव, इट विल बी न्यूट्रलाइज्ड. ये H प्लस सेपरेट हो जाएगा, यानी रिमूवल ऑफ एसिडिक मीडियम. यहाँ पे हमने H प्लस लिया था, ये H प्लस. सो यहाँ पे वो निकल रहा है, यानी ब्रेकिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड and removal of H plus and formation of intermediate like this. Now here it is OH, double bond N, PH. Next, now breaking up this oxygen hydrogen single bond, shifting in between carbon and oxygen. यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा. नाउ दिस कार्बन विल बी पेंटावैलेंट्स हियर 1 2 3 4 and 5. So breaking of pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. So breaking of oxygen hydrogen single bond, shifting here, then breaking of carbon nitrogen. Here it is a pi bond break, here it is double bond 1 sigma and 1 pi. So breaking of pi bond and shifting of electrons towards nitrogen. नाइट्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, सो इट विल एक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज. ये नेगेटिव चार्ज एक्वायर करेगा, ये H प्लस पॉजिटिव होगा, ये इधर शिफ्ट होगा, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ PH. नाउ यहाँ पे C डबल बॉन्ड O N H PH. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज N substituted amide. This is the final product. It is very simple. Mechanism is very simple. This is the oxime of benzophenone. Yani this is benzophenone oxime. A reaction of this with H plus. Oxygen has two lone pair of electrons. So protonation of this oxygen. यानी ऑक्सीजन कैन डोनेट पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू H प्लस. ये ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिव चार्ज, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, सो नेगेटिव चार्ज, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल. ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, सो इट विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. यानी दिस इज द इंटरमीडिएट, दिस इज द इंटरमीडिएट. वी नो दैट दिस OH इज वेरी बैड लिविंग ग्रुप, बट OH2 प्लस इज वेरी गुड लिविंग ग्रुप बिकॉज दिस ऑक्सीजन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट. यानी व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ एसिड? Conversion of bad living group into what? Good living group. Now, so how there is a migration of this phenyl group? On this carbon, two phenyl groups are there. Both are identical. So migration of which phenyl group? So this phenyl group is syn to this living group, and this phenyl group is anti to this living group. So migration of anti, यानी माइग्रेशन ऑफ दिस फिनिल ग्रुप, ये सेपरेट होगा, ब्रेक होगा. सो माइग्रेशन ऑफ फिनिल टू दिस नाइट्रोजन एंड साइमल्टेनियसली रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर. यहाँ पे वाटर रिलीज हो रहा है एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नाइट्रोजनियम आयन. नाउ दिस कार्बन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट, सो वाटर का अटैक, isn't it? In this step here, water is released, water is given out, same water will be used here. So attack of nucleophile, water behave like a nucleophile because here two electron pairs are there. So it can donate pair of electron to this carbon. So here already positive charge, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. यहाँ पे अभी इस कार्बन पे चार्ज नहीं है. सिंस ऑक्सीजन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर, सो एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज. नाउ ये ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट है, सो आइदर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस हाइड्रोजन और दिस हाइड्रोजन बोथ आर सेम आइडेंटिकल. सपोज ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड, and shifting of both electrons towards oxygen. अब ये positive charge, ये negative charge, negative positive, it will be cancelled. So formation of intermediate like this. Now in this step, breaking of this bond, isn't it? Because oxygen is electronegative, hydrogen is positive. So breaking of this, shifting, ये बॉन्ड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गया यानी यहाँ पे कार्बन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड बन रहा है. दिस कार्बन विल बी पेंटावैलेंट. सो ब्रेकिंग अ पाई बॉन्ड एंड शिफ्टिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लाइक दिस, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन सब्स्टिट्यूटेड, हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अमाइड, isn't it? Now here a reaction of oxime with acid. If acid is sulfuric acid, if acid is sulfuric acid, so what happens? OH converts into, if it is sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, OH will be converted into OH2 plus. If we compare leaving tendency, OH is very bad leaving group. Now OH2 plus is very good leaving group. And a conversion of OH into OH2 plus with sulfuric acid. If phosphorus pentachloride is there, if phosphorus pentachloride is there, I will explain mechanism in detail. So what happens? Again, this OH is a bad leaving group. So here it will convert into good leaving group like this, OPCl4. If it is a derivative of thionyl chloride, OH, when reaction of oxime with thionyl chloride, derivative of thionyl chloride, like this. So conversion of OH into again good leaving group, OSO C6H5. Remember, all these are bad leaving groups. All these are bad leaving groups. And all these are good leaving groups. All these are good leaving groups. Now what happens when phosphorus pentachloride is used? What is the mechanism of this? How to explain? I will explain mechanism with phosphorus pentachloride and a reaction of oxime with phosphorus pentachloride, then again formation of N substituted amide. N substituted amide. Mechanism, again it is very simple. I will take general oxime, that is oxime of ketone. Here are different alkyl groups. Different alkyl groups. This is a ketoxime because this is an oxime of ketone. A reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. A reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Now what happens? Phosphorus pentachloride. You know what is the structure of phosphorus pentachloride? Hybridization in phosphorus pentachloride. What is geometry of phosphorus pentachloride? Here 3 equatorial bonds and 2 axial bonds. And the geometry is a trigonal bipyramidal. Bond length of equatorial bonds and axial bonds is different. That is why after decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride, it gives phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. When decomposition of this, because geometry is a trigonal bipyramidal. Equatorial bond length is the same and axial bond length is same, isn't it? So that is why after decomposition it gives phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and chlorine compulsory. Now mechanism of this, iska mechanism. So reaction of this ketoxime. It is very simple. Since OH is a bad leaving group, now a reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. A reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. See here, this hydrogen and one chlorine from this removal of HCl, and a formation of intermediate like this. Formation of intermediate like this. N, here it is O, P, Cl, Cl, HCl like this. Now it is a good leaving group. अब a good leaving group है. See here. Now migration of which group? On this carbon again two alkyl groups are there. On this carbon there are two alkyl groups. Both are different. Then which group will migrate towards electron deficient nitrogen? This nitrogen is electron deficient because the electronegative oxygen is attached. So how? We know that migratory aptitude here in a group which is anti to this leaving group. Compulsory. So migration of this, ये alkyl group break होगा and migration takes place like this. Then shifting of this bond here, यानी यहाँ पे P double bond O बनेगा, simultaneously removal of this. यानी how this migration takes place, ये कार्बन bond break होगा. So कार्बन will acquire positive charge क्योंकि कार्बन यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, isn't it? ये कार्बेनियन बनेगा, R माइनस R डैश माइनस होगा यानी कार्बेनियन. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है, ये कार्बेनियन हो, कार्बेनियन यानी इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है. अभी इसका माइग्रेशन ऑफ दिस टूवर्ड्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट नाइट्रोजन, यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर है. देन यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन ऑफ दिस अल्किल ग्रुप एंड नाइट्रोजन. So simultaneously breaking of this bond and shifting here, यानी यहाँ पे P double bond O बनेगा. Then removal of Cl minus, यानी formation of intermediate like this. R C, a carbon will acquire positive charge, double bond N and a R dash. So here a removal of Cl minus and PoCl3, phosphoryl chloride, and we know that this is nitrylinium ion. इसका रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइजेशन होगा. शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हियर, नाइट्रोजन विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज, ये चला जाएगा. स्टेबलाइजेशन. Now attack of nucleophile. अब न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक होगा. अब यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम कौन करेगा? Attack of nucleophile. Here Cl minus is released. So here attack of Cl minus, ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच स्पीसीज है, इसका अटैक यहाँ पे होगा. अब ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज, कार्बन का पॉजिटिव चार्ज निकल जाएगा. सो हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ R C Cl double bond N R dash. Now here the role of water, H2O, H2O यानी H plus and OH minus. So this H plus will combine with this Cl यानी HCl will be released and formation of intermediate like this. Formation of intermediate like this, and we know that breaking of this OH bond, shifting in between carbon and oxygen, This carbon will be pentavalent, so breaking up pi bond and shifting towards nitrogen. अब ये H plus इधर आएगा, यानी here formation of R C double bond O NH and R dash. And what is this? This is N substituted amide. Is it clear? It is N substituted amide. Remember, in this molecular rearrangement, if migratory group has certain configuration, then configuration of that group remains same, and there is a retention in configuration. If it is a chiral group, if migratory group, if you can write here, if migratory group is chiral, then it retains its configuration. And a retention in configuration. A retention in configuration. I will take example of this. Suppose here it is oxime, a reaction with acid. Here, with respect to this OH, this is anti, this is syn, and this relation between these two is anti. And a migration of this group, since this carbon is a chiral group, chiral carbon, because this carbon has 4 different groups. One is N-butyl, one is ethyl, one is hydrogen, and rest one is like this. So definitely after rearrangement, there is a retention in configuration. Yani, what is the product? Product is, there is no change in stereochemistry of this. NH, C double bond O, CH3. So, stereochemistry of this group and stereochemistry of this group exactly same. So, this is said to be retention in configuration. Yani, retention in configuration. If migratory group is, it is chiral, this is a chiral, this carbon is chiral, so there is a retention in configuration and there is no change in stereochemistry. So it is very simple. Migration of which alkyl or aryl group, which is anti to leaving group, isn't it? Which is anti to leaving group. Here OH due to this acid will convert into OH2 plus, isn't it? It will convert into OH2 plus due to this acid. This is a good leaving group. Now on this carbon, one is a methyl and one is a complex alkyl group, and this is a chiral. So here with respect to this OH, this methyl group is syn, and with respect to this OH, this alkyl group, complex alkyl group, is anti. So migration of anti group always towards electron deficient nitrogen atom. किसका माइग्रेशन होता है? जो लिविंग ग्रुप को एंटी यानी अपोजिट साइड में होता है उसका माइग्रेशन होता है, यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन सब्स्टिट्यूटेड अमाइड. इज इट क्लियर? So you can write many examples. You can take, suppose example is like this. I will explain one cyclic oxime, suppose oxime of cyclohexanone, oxime of cyclohexanone, then how to write the product, how to write the molecular rearrangement here, it is acid. So it gives again N substituted amide, but here it will be cyclic. So this is said to be lactam. This is said to be lactam. Now what is mechanism of this? So this lactam is said to be caprolactam. This is said to be caprolactam. Now what is the mechanism of this? इसका mechanism क्या है? Very simple. Now you are well familiar with this protonation of this OH, oxygen का protonation. Here it is, protonation of this oxygen will donate pair of electron to this H plus in a formation of protonated cyclone, hexanone oxime. Now what is the role of acid? Now this will acquire positive charge. So this OH is bad leaving group. Now OH2 plus, it is a good leaving group. So on this carbon, here these two carbon single bonds are there, here CH2, here CH2. So breaking of either this carbon single bond or breaking of this carbon single bond. But remember, this carbon single bond is anti to this, anti. This carbon single bond is a syn. So ये ब्रेक नहीं होगा, ब्रेक ये कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा. So how this breaking takes place? How this breaking takes place? So ये ब्रेक होगा. अब यहाँ पे CH2 माइनस बनेगा, यहाँ पे CH2 माइनस बनेगा. सिंस दिस कार्बन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर, सो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा. सिंस हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH2 माइनस, यहाँ पे CH2 माइनस, ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करेगा. न्यूक्लियोफाइल ये यहाँ पे अटैक करेगा. इट इज लाइक दिस. नाउ हाउ टू राइट दिस स्ट्रक्चर? साइमल्टेनियसली जब न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक, माइग्रेशन, न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक नाइट्रोजन पे होगा, रिमूवल ऑफ H2O, यानी हियर रिमूवल ऑफ H2O. एंड how to write intermediate? First I will write as it is. अब ए कार्बन, ए डबल बॉन्ड नाइट्रोजन, यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर है. नाउ ये यहाँ पे अटैक हुआ, सो दिस कार्बन विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. दिस इज द इंटरमीडिएट. सियर ये कार्बन बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ, यहाँ पे शिफ्टिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड दिस कार्बन, यानी यहाँ पे CH2 माइनस बना. सो अटैक ऑफ CH2 माइनस टू दिस नाइट्रोजन, यानी यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू बॉन्ड. ये दिस इज अ न्यू बॉन्ड. सेम स्ट्रक्चर वी कैन राइट, सेम स्ट्रक्चर वी कैन राइट. अब ए नाइट्रोजन, nitrogen has lone pair of electron. It is like this. See here, formation of this is one member, second member, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now this carbon is electron deficient. A carbon electron deficient है. So what happens? In this step, in previous step, water is released. Same water we can use here. So this will work as a nucleophile because oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons. So ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक कार्बन पे होगा ना. ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, सो ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज एक्वायर करेगा. यहाँ पे ये नेगेटिव, सो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव कैंसिल होगा. यानी हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट लाइक दिस, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट लाइक दिस. Now here it is OH2 plus. Next, अब ये ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंट है, सो ब्रेकिंग ऑफ एनी वन हाइड्रोजन, सपोज ब्रेकिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड शिफ्टिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लाइक दिस, यानी यहाँ पे H प्लस बाहर निकला एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट लाइक दिस. Here it is OH. Now finally one little rearrangement. So here breaking of this bond and shifting here. Now this carbon is pentavalent, breaking up pi bond. Nitrogen will be negatively charged, hydrogen will be positively charged, and a formation of caprolactam. अब नाइट्रोजन पे हाइड्रोजन होगा, यहाँ पे कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, this is, sorry, here यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड नहीं होगा. now here it is only single bond. this is caprolactam, this is caprolactam. Here expansion of ring in Beckmann's rearrangement in case of oxime of cyclic ketone. Here expansion of ring, यहाँ पे expansion of ring, expansion of ring takes place. Now this oxime is a 6-membered ring. Now here N substituted amide is a 7-membered ring. So here expansion of ring takes place in Beckmann's rearrangement of what? Oxime of cyclic ketone. So this rearrangement is said to be what? Beckmann's rearrangement. If any doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. In next lecture of this molecular rearrangement, I will take applications of Beckmann's rearrangement. Thank you very much.